What it do, YouTube? We back with another video. Y'all tuning in to Dorance Vlogs. Today, guys, we're gonna be talking about how many ads should you put in a video. All right, so let's start. How can we do this? Y'all know we got the raw content, man. So we're gonna put y'all on game real quick. So, okay, if you make a 10-minute video, we're gonna get straight to it. If you make a 10-minute video, at least put 5 ads in there. The reason you put 5 ads, you try to put an ad every 2 minutes. If you make a 20-minute video, you're gonna have 10 ads. Now, will the ads pop up every 2 minutes? Nah, the ads not gonna pop up every 2 minutes, but you still most likely get paid for those ads, even though they're not in there. So, I mean, even though they're not gonna be shown, you still can get paid for it because they're still in there. You try to put most ads at the beginning, because sometimes 9 out of 10 people might not watch all the way at the end. So try to take advantage of that. So how I do it, I will put an ad before the video start, and then I start at 1 minute mark, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, just so forth, so forth. Definitely do it like that. Now, the game that I was taught, the best results, the best thing you can do is try to make 35 to a 45 to an hour-minute video if you can. Here's the reason. One of my channels, I've made a 30-minute video, which I put in 15 ads in a 30-minute video. The video in a month got over 100,000 views. I got paid $1,000. But if I would have made that video 60 minutes long, right at an hour, I could have put 30 ads in there and it would have doubled off 100,000 views. Maybe I would have got 2,000 off that one video instead of 1,000 off that one video. Not saying that could have been happening. It could have got closer to $2,000 on one video. No, I didn't know that video was gonna take off and get 100K views. But now, since it did that, I should have did what I did. So, future reference, I have to know now, okay, at least do 35 to 45 to an hour-minute long video. So, this is what you do. You place an ad every 2 minutes. Put one in there before the video so you automatically get paid for it and cut on. And then you go from 1 to 3 to 5 to 7, the sweet spots. The sweet spots every 2 minutes. If you put an ad at 1 minute and 15, then don't put the other one at 3 minutes. Put it at 3 minutes and 15. So make sure you do every 3 minutes. If it's at 1 minute and 37 seconds, put the other one at 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. If y'all that makes sense. It'll always be 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying, 2 minutes. So I always put an ad every 2 minutes in your video. And I guarantee it's gonna help you out, guys. Thank y'all for watching the channel. We out.